To use Chase points on Amazon, start by enrolling in the Shop with Points service, which requires linking an eligible Chase credit card to your Amazon account. This can be done by visiting the Amazon card page in your account, providing the necessary information, and selecting Link Now. To determine if your card is eligible, you can visit the Chase website. Once enrolled, you can browse and add items to your cart, noting that not all items are eligible for the Shop with Points service. At checkout, select Chase Ultimate Rewards as your payment method and choose the amount of points to apply to your eligible order. The points can cover all or part of the cost, with each point valued at 0.008 cents. The redeemed points will be deducted from your total and displayed as reward points, and Chase will debit the points from your Chase Ultimate Rewards balance. By following these steps, you can easily use your Chase points on Amazon.